Hey guys, Jeff Gibson with True Covenant Ministry. Just wanted to take the opportunity to invite people this year for Sukkot 2022 to come out. I intended to get this video put together a couple of weeks ago, and I haven't got around to it yet. I'm late. But anyway, we're located in the Oklahoma Panhandle, right on the New Mexico state line, kind of in the middle of nowhere, but it's, we're in beautiful country out here. We've been doing it on the ranch. We've been keeping Sukkot and the feast now for years. We'll be doing teaching throughout Sukkot. We begin our Sukkot on October the 9th at sundown through October the 17th at sundown. We have tent spaces available and RV and camper sites. We don't have hookups for the RV or motorhomes, but we do have water available, in the camp. Maybe we're a little bit closer than where you've been going, or maybe, you're just looking for something, a change of pace, a little bit, or change it up a little bit, or, maybe you've never kept a feast at all and you're just curious, what are the feasts about? And so, I think it's Jeremiah 16:19 that says that the Gentiles are going to wake up in that day of affliction in the end of time, and they're going to say, our fathers inherited lies, vanity, things wherein there is no profit. And that's where we find ourselves today. Jeremiah was not wrong. That's exactly where we're at. And we find out, we've exchanged these feasts of Yahweh, and they're not Jewish feasts, by the way. Yahweh told us to keep these, and he said, if you keep these feasts, I will be in the midst of you. I hear people say all the time, I want to get in the presence of Yahweh. Well, if you truly want to do it, keep a feast, because he's going to have, his spirit will be there in Sukkot. He's going to be walking through the sukkahs, he says, but anyway, that's where we find ourselves today. We've taken Yahweh's feasts, and our fathers, in their infinite wisdom, our church fathers, decided these feasts are not for us somehow. And they exchanged Yahweh's feast that he says will be a perpetual covenant throughout all of your generations. They never go away. But somehow our fathers decided, our church fathers decided that, they're not for us somehow, I guess. I don't know. And they exchanged the feast of Yahweh with unholy pagan days. And so, our Messiah had nothing to do with an Easter ham, but he was the Passover lamb. Okay. And we've traded the truth for a lie. And so surely our fathers have given us lies. But anyway, if you've never kept a feast before and you're curious about these feasts, or if you've kept a feast and you're just looking for a little change up, we'd love to have you this year. Our phone number is 580-426-2361, and you can call and make a appointment to have a setup out here. We'd love to see you. Thank you.